baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my protective style routine. I got this crochet here from Trendy Tresses and I was like, I need to try it. This is a 16-inch 1B Nubian curl pattern. Trendy Tresses have so many different textures and curls. I love the fact that they give you so many options. The company is so versatile, and like if you're like a kinky type of girl, curly type of girl, any type of girl you are, girl, hop on this. I love crochet. When they sent this to me, I was like, oh my god, this just remind me of my life. And I've already braided my hair down. My sister braided my hair down, not me. By the way, if you're wondering why my skin looks so amazing, watch this video right here and you will know why. I will also link the video down below. But yeah, by the way, thank you, yeah. Thank you for the compliments. I really appreciate it. This is what it looks like. Let me open it up for you guys and see the curls. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know if I should cut it or leave it like that. I was kind of like trying to go for like a shorter bob look, but I'm just like, now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, should I go for a bob look or a longer look? But I think this is 16 inches. This is what it looks like. I think I would do the 16. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should cut it in half and do like a bob? I think I'll do the long style. Yeah, I think I'll do the long style. Let me just do the long style. If I don't like it, I can cut it, right? Yeah, instead of cutting it now and then wanting it to be long. But let me try first long, and if it's not, you know, if I don't like it long, then I could do short. I could cut it. I could always cut it. I went to beauty supply store and I got enough crochet pins. I had crochet pins, but I think like I ruined them, so I got, you know, 3 just in case one breaks. You know, one always break, and you don't want to like leave your hair in the middle of like of the night and like go to get crochet pins. So I got 3 just in case. I just wanted to show you guys because I love crocheting and I feel like it's such an amazing protective style. If you're the type of person that really don't feel like wearing weaves all the time or wearing wigs all the time, I wear wigs like every day to work and I'm tired of it. And I work out too in the morning, so it's like I want something that can just wake up and go and not think about hair. Like I'm tired of thinking about hair. And plus, I got a lot of places to go to this weekend. So I'm like, let me just do something that's gonna release my stress. They sent me 6 packs. I'm actually holding 5 right now because I just opened the 6th one. So I hope I don't have to use all of it, but I want it really full and really like voluminous. So yeah, I think I'll probably use all of it just so that it can be really full. But let's go and crochet.
You make me wanna take you to London, Paris. Make some times we'll cherish. Maybe there's no comparing to you. Don't need Keisha.
So it took me less than 2 hours to do. Guys, I love it. Of course, I haven't styled it yet, and I'm gonna do my makeup tomorrow. So you're gonna see how my face about to be beat with this, but I absolutely love it. It's so big. I used all 6 bundles. I'm gonna like cut it and shape it and all that stuff tomorrow. So far, it's so pretty, and I'm gonna lay my edges as well. But it's giving what it's supposed to give. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I love big hair. Like, guys, I love big hair. I love big hair. I love to feel like a princess. Not a princess. Do princesses look like this? I don't think so. But I don't know what princesses look like. We all used to the Disney characters. But yeah, this is so nice. Love it. I'm gonna shape it up so you can like, all of it can have layers. And right now you do have layers, but right here I'm just gonna like shape it up a little bit so you can have like really nice layers. But you're gonna see the end result tomorrow. So this is what my hair looks like. This is actually 2 days later. Guys, I absolutely love my hair. I have had so many compliments. My hair is just looking so bomb, and so I love big hair. Big hair is just a vibe. Love, love, love. And it's not heavy. It's really, really light. I feel like I'm screaming because I have my AirPods. I don't know how people like walk around with their AirPods, because you're gonna be screaming at everybody. Like, no. If I back up a little bit, you think that it's natural hair, right? People probably think this is my natural hair, unless like if they come so close to me, then they will see like, okay, it's a crochet. Like maybe they will not even see, because if you're not familiar to crochet, you probably would not know. But I absolutely love this. I put a band right here to make the style, but let me take it out. So this is what it looks like, guys. My hair looks and feel amazing. Like, I love this. It's so nice. And I wanted to cut here a little bit, but I'm just like, I love the longness of it all. I love that. And the top part, what I did was I divided the hair into two, and then I just stretched it out. You know when you get braids out, they stretch out the hair? That's what I did. That's why hair is like that. But down here, I didn't cut it at all. I left it like that, just like the normal how it came in the pack. What's this? Okay, let's hide that. We don't need that. Okay, we don't need that. So this hair will be linked down below. I really love it. I absolutely recommend, if you're a natural girl, this hairstyle will be amazing for vacation. Everyone going on vacation right now, this would be a perfect vacation hair, because you just wake up and just rub your hands through it and go. You don't have to worry about laying down your baby hairs. You definitely look like your natural hair. I am traveling to Tulum next month, so I'm definitely going to do something like this, because I just want to be free and just get on the water and not have to worry about my hair, not have to worry about blow drying my hair, none of that stuff. So it's just like an easy hairstyle. Absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Don't want begging, sharing. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that